Hello guys, this is Parthopal back it again with a new video. Today I am going to unboxing and review of Optimum Nutrition 100% whey gold isolate. As you can see, it's in 2.27 kg powder. Here we have 74 scoops of whey protein isolate, 5 grams of BCAAs and 4 grams of glutamine. Let's check a nutrition label. "24 grams of protein, saturated fat 0, transfer fat 0, cholesterol 30%, 30 ग्राम ज़्यादा नहीं है, इसमें ना के बराबर ही है. This product is genuine. As you can see, Optimum Nutrition whey gold. I can see the expiry date. You can scan the barcode. So let's get started.